Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Plug the headset or speakers into the correct jack or USB port and make sure any hardware volume controls are up. Once done, click the taskbar volume icon and confirm the selected output device and app volumes. Muted apps are common culprits. Next, open Services and restart the Windows Audio service. Then run the built-in sound troubleshooter in Settings System, sound to detect driver or configuration issues automatically. You now tackle drivers and deeper settings. Open Device Manager, find your audio adapter, and choose Update Driver. If problems started after an update, use Rollback. If needed, uninstall and reboot to reinstall. Then open Sound Control Panel, select your playback device, click Properties, set the default format to a standard sample rate, and disable audio enhancements to avoid conflicts. Also check Bluetooth or USB power management, and any vendor control panels like Realtek or ASIO for exclusive mode settings. Finish by creating a system restore point so you can undo major changes safely. If sound still fails, perform a clean boot to isolate startup conflicts and test other output devices to rule out hardware failure. Install optional driver packages from Windows Update and Reboot. If the problem persists, collect event viewer errors and driver error codes. If issues began after a Windows update, consider rolling back that update. One key tip: test sound in safe mode or another user.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.